Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I am back. This video will be on Sunday. Sunday recipe idea segment. Look, y'all, today, still on the Instant Pot thing. You ain't got to heat up your stove. I'm going to heat up my top of my range, but the stove is going in the Instant Pot. I did oxtail soup before, but I've never done it in the Instant Pot, y'all. So I'm going to see if I can fit all this into this Instant Pot. So this is going to be a soup, not smothered, not braised or nothing like that. Oxtail soup. There's going to be a lot of liquid in here and a lot of vegetables. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sear these off, get a nice sear on them. I can sear them in here, but to me it's quicker to do it in the skillet than in here. So I'm going to sear them off, put them in here. I'm going to throw all the vegetables and potatoes in there. First I'm going to mix it with the beef stock and tomato paste. And I'm going to put the oxtails in there. That's the potatoes on there. I'm going to cook it for an hour and a half. And we're going to have some oxtail soup. So let me get started. I got my skillet heating up over here. All I'm going to do is get a little sear on this meat. Matter of fact, I just washed these off in vinegar, y'all. Sometimes you got to really be careful, especially with beef and pork. I like to kind of wash them off, especially if they've been pre-cut already and packaged in the store. And these I didn't get free, y'all. These I actually, y'all saw that deal I had on the Facebook and YouTube. $3.99 a pound. That's what these are. $3.99 a pound for these. These cost me about $13. All these oxtails, y'all. Normally these would be 50, 60 bucks in the store. So that was the deal of the week. This past week here in Houston at one particular store. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get a little sear on these and turn this fire up. And let them sear off on both sides. Just get a little, it's not a really sear. I just like to kind of seal in the juices a little. Then I'm going to throw them in the pot here. And then I'm going to add them with some vegetables. And we're going to see how much vegetables I can get in here. Because this pot going to be very full. It's going to be a big old pot of soup. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back once I get them seared off. All right, y'all, we back. Alright, I got the thing searing off here. All I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to put it over here. And you can see I got this heating up too. And I'm going to see how full I'm going to want this thing, y'all. I don't want to get it too full because I got to add vegetables to this too. Now remember, I'm making a soup. A little bit, I guess it'll all fit in there. I got more stuff to go in here, y'all. Alright, pour all that liquid in there. Now, what I'm going to do now, y'all, I got some beef stock I'm going to put in here. Add some more beef stock. Oh, we're making a soup. Remember that, y'all. Okay, I got some Worcestershire sauce put in there, aka American soy sauce. Okay, now we're going to put some tomato paste in here. That's going to give it that nice rich color, which you'll see later. I'm kind of mix that up in there. Of course, the tomato paste, as this cook, y'all, it's going to move around in there. In fact, let me put some more liquid in here. I want plenty of liquid. Remember, this is a soup. I want plenty of liquid in here. Move that tomato paste around in there. There we go. And I'm going to season them with a little salt and pepper, but there we go. Got all that tomato paste mixed around in there. See that? Get that nice rich color. And I'm going to put some more liquid. And the beef stock that I put in there was so potent, so I'm balancing it off, y'all. A little bit more. Mix that up in there. All right. A lot of liquid in here. Now, I'm going to get some more salt and pepper here. I definitely know I need more salt and pepper. I don't even have to taste it. I know I need that. Okay. Mix that around in there. Now we're going to add the other stuff in here. I got to kind of eye this. Put little onions in there. I ain't gonna put all of them because I know it's not gonna fit. I got some green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, celery, which I hate, red bell peppers, some carrots in here. I'll put all the carrots in. Potatoes in there. I think it all fit, y'all. More peppers in there. A few more onions. I'm gonna get my spoon here. Kind of mix that around in there, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. It's gonna be a nice soup when this thing is ready. Put the rest of the onion. You can't have too many onions in the soup. I love onions. I don't want to overfill it too much. There we go. There we go, y'all. And the rest of these vegetables I'll put in something else. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna get my lid here. Get this out the way. Now I'm supposed to get my top here. Put my top on here. Make sure it's sealed. Now we're gonna go to meat. I could go soup, but I'm going to meat. What I got on 99 minutes, that's perfect. I really want 90 minutes. If it go a little bit over, that's fine. So we're gonna go to an hour and a half on here. And like I told y'all, this is the first time I ever did oxtail soup in the Instant Pot. Usually take a couple hours. So we're going an hour and a half on to make sure everything's falling apart tender. So we'll check it out for an hour and a half and we'll see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. It took 10 minutes to release this thing, y'all. And I did the release myself. If I had to do a slow release, it probably would have took 35 minutes to release itself. So let's open it up. Remember, I always open it away from you. And this is what you get, y'all. A big old pot. Like I told y'all, it's gonna be soup. And this is what you get. And let's get our knife here. Let me try something here, and then I'm gonna come back and I wanna see how tender the oxtails are. You can see how they tender, just falling off the bone. That's what you want, y'all. And that's an oxtail soup for you right there. And you see the oxtail, which was good, it didn't have a lot of fat on it, which is good. I mean, that oxtail gonna have some fat on them, but that's a good old hearty soup right there, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off here, and I'm gonna get me a bowl here, and I'm gonna put a bowl of this in the bowl. And we're gonna try this out, y'all. It's a big old pot of goodness right here. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. There we go, y'all. It's perfect for Sunday here. Look at that. I got some cornbread over here. You know, a little of this cornbread. Have left over from another. Gotta have some cornbread with it, y'all. And hot sauce. I haven't even tasted the seasoning in this yet. I don't even know if it's too salty or what. I'm going by the trust here. I got a spoon. You need a spoon and a fork for this. But I'm gonna show y'all here how it actually, see how that meat just comes off the bone. See that, y'all? Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Let me get a little carrot on there. Carrot on there, a little oxtail. And here we go. See if I put too much salt. Good, y'all. And taste the broth here. Perfect. Got cornbread on there. And then oxtail on there. Tell you, man, oxtail melt in your mouth. Tell you. Sunday afternoon, y'all. Hour and a half. Y'all saw how I did it. I put everything in the pot. Cut it on. 90 minutes. You got a good soup here, y'all. Good hearty soup. One more bite here. One more bite here. Wow. Good eating there. But the key is, y'all, take that bone. See how the meat just come off the bone? Look at that, y'all. That's good eating right there. Good eating. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out where I can eat for real. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.